So today in my cute little Mr. Men car, I've made it on, it's 20 minutes ish from Medjugorje to get to Kravice Waterfalls, which by the photos looks like an amazing beauty spot. I'm parked under the shade of a tree now, but I guarantee that will not be the case later. It's already pretty warm here and it's, oh, I don't know, about 10 o'clock in the morning. Car park's not that full, there's a lot of space. There's only a few in front of me, so I guess 10 o'clock is a good time to get here because I understand it gets absolutely rammed here. So the parking is not far behind that building and you pay in there, it's 20 marks, or you have to use your debit card. And already stood here, I guess you can hear it. That must be the noise of the falls. But they're quite a way below us, down steps. So let's go. So you can start to see the falls from here. And this is definitely going to be my mountain walk back up later. But that little glimpse is nothing compared to what I've seen in the photos. As Tom Medjugorje says, let's go together. Places where they rent out deck chairs, but I don't know how much they cost. But this is the most expensive thing that I have paid for on my trip. 10 euros for a deck chair and 3 euros to have your umbrella. But this is relaxing and look at the view. Definitely good to get here about 10, half past 10, because by 11:30 it's getting pretty busy. You know, the most amazing thing about this waterfall is there are a lot of people around here making a lot of noise and I can't hear them really for the waterfall. When you arrive earlier than everybody else, and you were in line with everybody else, but when you come back, you're the only car parked really awkwardly right in the middle. of the different nationalities that come here. So many languages. From Russian to Korean to Japanese, I think one of these is. Italian. They're all here. Everyone comes to see Mary. I made it up the mountain today for Apparition Hill, not mountain, for 6:40, which is the time that apparitions happen in Medjugorje. And I was walking through the fields down below at 6:26 it was, and I thought, am I really going to make it up to the first station? Well, it's the second station, I think, of the plaques, and the place where I think it was people from Italy, because I saw one of Tom Medjugorje's videos where the Italians brought the cross from Italy and the boys carried it up here, and that's what is up on this flat area here. And I looked at my phone when I got here and it was exactly 6:40. Yes. And there have been lots of people up and down, still groups and families, but I can hear people coming back down again now. But this is when you get a bit of real peace. Your time to pray your rosary. This food is seriously tasty, and it's lucky I'm here on my own because I've got more of this garlic stuff. It's so strong.